A delegation of the Center for Justice and International Law visited Honduras to evaluate the conditions of human rights defenders and journalists, and according to the experts, the country is a very dangerous environment.
According to a delegation of the Center for Justice and International Law that visited Honduras, the situation of human rights defenders and journalists is still very dangerous.
What the law says is that when there is a crime against a human rights defender or a journalist, there has to be an immediate investigation. But until this moment, the practice has been insufficient. There are many accusations in the Inter-American Court of environmentalists assassinated. But if we analysed it, which cases have been sent to trial and which ones have a verdict, we're talking of less than 2%.
The National Congress approved in July a law for the protection of journalists and human rights defenders, but the law has yet to be put into practice.
Why it's been so long for the authorities of our country to understand that this is their urgent obligation to investigate and sanction so that the victims, the survivors, and the families have some hope? That they won't receive the answer that nothing happened? That they presented a claim in the national institutions but had to go later to international ones for answers?
A lack of investigation and real protection that allows human rights defenders and journalists to do their jobs is urgent in Honduras, where in the last 10 years, 40 journalists have been killed and there has been no investigation into any of these cases. Gerardo Torres, Telesur, Central America.